Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Highlander key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have a new CR 2032 coin cell battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver, or you can use the emergency key that's already inside your fob. Let's get started. The first step is to access the battery compartment. Begin by locating the small button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the emergency key. Pull the emergency key out completely. Next, find the small notch at the bottom of the key fob. Insert the tip of the emergency key or your small flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist it. This action will carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Now that your key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Gently use your small flathead screwdriver to pry the old CR 2032 battery out of its holder. Pay attention to how it was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Take your new CR 2032 battery and carefully slide it into the holder, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Make sure it sits securely in place. With the new battery in, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the edges match up perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot at the bottom of the fob. Give your key fob a quick test to confirm it's working properly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.